Hello and welcome to this video. Today we're taking a look at CTS T4 desktop and we're going to focus on the DOM interface, the depth of market screen here. So I'm going to go ahead and minimize some of these other windows here and we'll just bring up the DOM interface there and we'll bring that front and center. So if you see I do bring this over here and we can drag this over, you can see we can resize it so we can have more rows that show as far as visibility. And what you'll notice is it does have a few columns here. So the depth of market interface here is going to show us the inside market, the ask, bid, and the last traded price. Here in the middle you can see. We also see the market depth on either side. So we see the market depth here on the sell side and the market depth here on the buy side as well. You can see those bids and offers there changing here. And we can see plenty of levels there as well for that. We also have here on the left hand side volume. So this is the volume here for the session for those specific prices for that row of prices. So right there, right off the bat, you have a few columns there that give you some information in a pretty small space there. So it's pretty efficient as far as screen size. Again, you can also make the width a little bit bigger as well, like we did with the height. So we'll go ahead and maybe make these columns a little bit bigger as well. So it's pretty flexible as far as ordering the columns as well. We could go ahead and move the columns if we wanted to and reorder those. For example, if I wanted to have my buy and sell right next to each other, I could do that there and we can still see that market depth there waiting for us. Now we also have here a lot of options here on our menu. You can see right at the top here, we're just using the September contract as an example, but there's also December that we can switch to, as well as March just with a click of a button there. So it's easy to switch between those different expiries. Now if you notice on the toolbar here next to those, we have Strategy Picker. This allows us to actually select a calendar spread. So if we wanted to view a calendar spread here, we can do that as well right on our DOM interface just by selecting the Strategy Picker. So if we go, we can see here we have short September 15th and long December 15th here, or December 15th. So that's the calendar spread here right on our DOM for us, so that is visible there. So it's pretty handy to switch around to a few different elements there, different expiries, also even for calendar spreads there that will allow us to kind of take a look at those and even place trades, for example, if you wanted to for calendar spreads. We also have plenty of trading options here. So we see some numbers here. This is going to be for the quantity. So we have in here, we have several ways to set the quantity. We can use this toolbar here. We can also use these arrow buttons, even type in there manually if we wanted to, or also have another option here for a few different layouts as far as quick quantity options and so forth. So that makes it pretty easy to switch that out there. Now to actually place a trade here, what we can do is use the left and right mouse click buttons here. Now we're going to go through trading in a little bit more depth in another video here, but we'll take a look here and show the toolbar up here as well. And you can see we also have the way to get a quick another DOM interface here, a chart, a spread matrix, or some other options here as well for the ES pretty quickly if we wanted to, for example, view a chart there. So that's just a brief introduction here to the DOM interface on CTS T4 desktop. We're going to go through some more options as far as actually placing trades and so forth on the DOM. If you have any questions in the meantime, please feel free to let us know by shooting us an email or giving us a call.